Just a quick video doing grill delete, and I'll post everything up that I'm doing. So to get grill out, you just pull there, there, there and there. It should just pop straight out. It's not too hard. Just try not to break the clips. So we've been doing it for about 2 minutes. This is how far we've got with grinder. Not too bad, not too much to go yet now. So we've had a bit of a stall. This happened. Been to Alfred's, Screwfix, got some new discs, and voila. Well, charging. Thanks to Ben for lending it me anyway. Wish I took that third battery. What's up YouTube? Just helping my mate change his diff oil all the way for batteries in his hairdresser's car. There he is. Where is he? Here he is. One at Twins. Yep. So finally finished. It's a bit dark now because got carried away helping my mate with his diff fluid, but good result that. Good result. Little tip for you: get yourself some of these little needle nose files, so you can just get all little nooks and crannies and that. Just make it nice and tidy. The finished product. Look at that. Should have come out at a factory like that.